Welcome back developers. Today we are taking our first exciting step into the world of Angular. In this video, we will build our first Angular application from scratch. Before we start, make sure you have Node.js and Angular CLI installed in your development environment. If you haven't done that yet, check out our previous part on setting up your Angular development environment. Now that we have all things in place, first of all, navigate to the folder where you want to create your first Angular project and open CMD there. For opening CMD, I'm just typing CMD in the address bar and it will open the CMD for me. Once it is open, now you can simply type command ng new, where ng is Angular CLI command prefix and new is indicating that we want to create a new project. Let's hit enter now. And it will give you a prompt asking for the project name. Let's enter my first app and hit enter again. Now it will ask you if you want to add Angular routing. Since it is our first Angular application and we do not know anything about routing, we will type N for now. But we will definitely type Y in future once we will learn about Angular routing. Now we have another prompt asking us to select the style sheet format for our Angular application. And you can use the arrow keys to select any of the option. Just know that Angular support all these style sheet formats. I'm using the default option, which is CSS in our case. Now let's hit enter again. You can see that our first Angular project with name My First App has been created with the necessary files and configuration, and it is absolutely ready to launch. Now let's navigate into our newly created project folder. For that, type cd my first app and hit enter. Next, it's time to serve our application locally so we can see it live on our web browser. Enter this command ng space serve and hit enter again. The Angular CLI will now compile our code and launch a local development server. You will see a link in the terminal. Click on it and browser will open your Angular application. Congratulations, you have just built your first Angular application. It may seem simple for now, but this is just the beginning of our Angular journey. In our next part, we will explore the folder structure of an Angular application. Remember to subscribe to Fulltechstack and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our exciting Angular tutorials. Happy coding, and let's keep exploring the power of Angular together. Thank you.